Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed it, so kindly subscribe it. So mostly many of you have seen such type of wireless adapter missing in Windows 10, 11. Issues have been faced. So we will fix it today as wireless adapter is not showing. So we will fix it. So firstly we have to move on device manager. You have to just type here device manager. Here it is. You have to click on device manager and then you have to find out network adapter. So you have to scroll down a little bit and find out network. Here it is, network adapter. So in network adapter you have to just select it and then click on action and then go for scan for hardware changes. So you have to just click on here. So by doing this many of you have this issue will be fixed, but if issues still persist, so you have to move on another step, which is basically you have to type task manager. You have to Here it is. In the task manager you have to click on file and then click on run new task. At here you have to type cmd and also check this create this task with administrator privileges. Select this and click on ok, and at here you have to just type this command netsearch winsock reset. So by doing this your issue will be fixed and your wireless adapter will be shown. So if this will not work, so you have to move on third step, which is basically services. So you have to type here in search bar services and go to the system services, and in system services you have to find WWAN autoconfig. So scroll down and go to the W section. Here it is, as you can see, WWAN autoconfig. So just right click on it and click on properties. Here you can see the startup type is manual, so you have to change it to automatic, and you can click automatic and then click on apply and then click on ok. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If your issue will not be fixed, so this one is the last step. So in this step your issue will be permanently fixed. So you have to just go again in task manager. So type task manager. You have to click on task manager and then you have to go to file, click on run new task, type cmd and then create this task with administrator privileges. Select this option and then go ok. At here you have to just type this command netcfg space dash d. So when you press the enter, the error will come. So you have to do it one more time. One more time you have to type this command netcfg space dash d and press enter. So maybe second time will again show error, but if it doesn't show error, so your issue will be fixed. If the error came, so you have to type third time. So by doing this you have to at least type at least three times, so until no error will come and your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly like my channel and share it and subscribe it as well. Thank you.